Dear Shrestha viewers, welcome. In the last class, we were discussing about measures to control inflation. How did you all feel? Did you connect to that? Any doubts? Don't forget to mention in the comment section, okay? Now, in this next video, we are going to see a new, different, interesting topic is about business cycle and its features. Then we are going to see its phases. So before seeing that, we need to understand what is the nature of this, right? So this nature or features of this business cycle is broadly categorized into 4 different parts. Let's see that. First of all, let's understand what is this business cycle so that we can understand its features very easily. What is business cycle? We know it is also called as trade cycle, business cycle, etc. This is the thing which happens in all the capitalist economies, in economic activities and all, expansion, recession, contraction, etc., like depression, etc. This happens cyclically, right? So that is what called as business cycle. Let's see this fast and understand it very easily in a very simple way without making it complicating with many definitions. Okay, so simply means that business cycle will have the cycle of few stages which will be repeating again and again, and these are the following features of that. So economy wide phenomenon, like we have this phases in this, and if one phase or one sector is affected, automatically it shows the effect on all the other sectors also, because all the sectors are dependent on each other, and if one sector is affected, it obviously shows the effect on other sectors. Yes or no? It is really easy and simple. And the second one is periodicity. It repeats, it is the periodicity. We have some periods, like this is the bad time, this is a good period, this is a bad period, like that. So even the business cycle has some periods where the time is very good and sometimes it is bad. There is a periodicity. Yes. So it acts like, why did I draw this pendulum clock here? Because it is in the same like this. It goes from one extreme to the another extreme very fast. So here the expansion is followed by depression. The last stage is depression, again it goes to expansion. Yes or no? So how this pendulum clock moves from one extreme to the another extreme, in the same way this periodicity also will affect in the same thing like pendulum clock. And then repetitive. We can't say it won't repeat. This is a business cycle and cyclical process always repeats. But one thing we can say is the time and the phase. We don't know till what time it will stay. Like if we have this expansion stage, that depends on the economy, like still what stage it is going to be on the expansion stage and at what stage it is going to be in the prosperous stage. It depends upon the economy and based on the policies they take. Maybe that may be for the very less time of 1 year or very much time of 5 years or something like that. But again at the one point of time it is going to come down to recession and then to depression. Again it is going to expansion, but that process is repetitive, but we cannot estimate the time gap between that, like till what time it is going to be like that. Then self-reinforcing. As you know, this is the cyclical process, one goes and the other one comes. Yes or no? So it will be self-reinforcing for that. It will go itself and it will be in the cyclical process. So that's about the business cycle and its phases. It is really easy. Go through once and again. You will easily get this answer, and this is a very important topic.